Um, Hello everyone. To this presentation where we went to look at some questions, right, concerning finding alpha and beta. Alpha and beta, if I thought alpha and beta are solutions for the equation. So alpha and beta is of a quadratic equation. Sure. Now we can say um, suppose we have our quadratic equation is x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then if alpha and beta are solutions, we have that x minus alpha divided by minus beta answer must be equal to, right? The answer must be equal to 0. If we expand it, what does this mean? This would be like x open bracket if you multiply it, right? Like this minus alpha x minus beta equal to 0. Right? So this implies that you have got x squared minus beta x, right? Minus alpha x plus alpha beta equal to 0, right? So isolating x, to have x squared, okay, minus open bracket alpha plus beta close x, you put out the negative plus plus alpha beta, answer is what? Now, if you compare this, then these things must be equations, right? They must be the same. But now, can only be the same if the coefficients are also implying that if I call this equation 1 and this equation 2, look at the coefficient of equation 1 with regard to x squared and the coefficient of equation 2, that x squared. X1 has got a, x2 does not have. So we can divide equation 1 by x throughout. N divide equation 1 by A and obtain. So what we have? We have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So when we divide that, what are we going to have? We divide by a, by a, by a, by a, implying that you have x squared plus b over a x plus a over a equal to 1. We can call this now equation 3. Now we compare equation 1, equation 2. It simply means the coefficient of x here should be the same. So implying that the coefficient of x, which is negative alpha plus beta, equal to the coefficient of x 3 a b divided by a. Now you can find what alpha plus beta is by dividing by negative 1. Alpha plus beta is equal to negative b divided by a. So this is what you need to know, right? And the constants, all right? The constants, which is alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to, because this constant is equal to, alpha beta is equal to c divided by c divided by a. This is important. It's a new touch now to answer questions. Okay? But now, sometimes it's important to take note of these expressions. Number one, you need to know that when you're talking about alpha plus beta, this will be equal to alpha squared. This is well-known expression. You can even use Pascal's triangle or binomial expansion. Alpha beta plus alpha squared. This will be alpha squared plus alpha beta plus beta. Here is beta squared. Implying that alpha, if you want to find alpha squared plus beta squared, so it's alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta will be equal to alpha squared plus beta squared. This one you also need to know it. It's very easy for you to have that kind of an expression. Deal with that. Okay. Number 2. You need to know that, for example, alpha plus beta cubed by binomial expansion Pascal's triangle, you are going to have alpha to the power 3 plus 3 alpha squared beta plus 3 alpha beta squared plus beta cubed, implying that if you want alpha to the power 3 and the beta to the power 3, alpha to the power 3 okay, maybe I maintain the same one first. Plus, like this, This will be alpha to the power 3 plus beta to the power 3, all right, plus, so here we can factorize common 3 alpha beta, and then with alpha plus b. Okay. This one is one of them. Or from here we can say alpha to the power 3 plus beta to the power 3 is equal to alpha plus beta to the power 3 minus 3 alpha beta open bracket alpha plus beta. This one also helps you. Number 3, there is also this expression alpha to the power 3 plus beta to the power 3 is equal to alpha plus beta open bracket alpha squared minus alpha beta plus beta squared, which is the same as alpha plus beta open bracket negative alpha beta plus alpha squared plus beta squared. Remember, when the expression for alpha squared plus beta squared on top. All right. Okay. Number 4, alpha squared minus beta squared. This will be alpha minus beta, open bracket, alpha squared plus alpha beta plus beta squared. Number 5, alpha squared minus okay, maybe it's maybe we So this is supposed to be power 3. Supposed to be power 3, and this one pass. We have got alpha to the cubed minus beta to the cubed. This will be to be alpha. Yeah. So this is for this expression. Yeah, for that expression. Right? For that expression. Then we know that alpha squared minus beta squared, alpha minus beta, alpha plus. So these expressions, take time to go through them, they will help you a lot. Or you can generate them using the Pascal's triangle binomial expansion. Okay, let's look at some questions. Given that alpha plus beta equal to 5, and the alpha beta is equal to 2, find the value of a 1 plus alpha plus 1 divided by alpha plus 1 divided by beta, b alpha squared beta squared, c alpha plus beta plus alpha, and d alpha to the power 3 plus beta to the power 3, e 1 divided by alpha squared plus 1 divided by beta squared. So we'll do the first two, then the other ones we'll do them in the next presentation. So the first one is we want 1 divided by alpha plus 1 divided by beta So we express this as a single fraction the way we know it. So pick alpha beta as our denominator, then multiply 1 by beta plus alpha, but alpha plus beta is equal to, what have we been given? 5. And alpha beta equal to substitute. This implies that we have 5 divided by 2, and what do we get? 2, 1, and 1/2. And that's your answer, right? That's it. B, alpha squared and beta squared imply that you have got alpha beta squared. What it means. All right, you can pull out the square there. And alpha beta is 2. This means you have got 2 squared, and the answer is 4. 2 times 2. Okay, maybe we can even do C. C, what is C? Alpha divided by beta plus beta divided by alpha. So as our denominator, we'll pick alpha beta. All right. So beta into alpha beta is alpha. Alpha by alpha is alpha squared plus alpha into alpha beta is beta. Beta by beta is beta squared. All right. Now, we know that alpha squared plus beta squared has already been worked out. Okay. So alpha squared plus beta squared is the same as alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta here divided by alpha beta. Now, why are we getting this? I gave you this expression, okay? This one, all right? Okay, so this implies that we have, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is 5. So it is 5 and minus 2. Alpha beta is 2 divided by alpha beta is 2. This would be 25 minus 4 divided by 2, right? This would be 21 divided by 2. I hope that is fine. I hope that is fine. Yeah, this is 10, 1 over 2. Let's just see where we end for this. You can see that they are easy, as simple as that. So if you are doing O levels, doing first year mathematics, if you are doing additional mathematics and you have got such kind of questions, that's not right. They are simple as all that. All right. In case you want to contact us on the following numbers. Right? 09786 the phiri, then 0979673809 is the Mondo, right? Yeah, so you can also subscribe to our new channel, which we are promoting, is Kanban phiri-JM. All right. We also have the 2024 GCE mathematics. All right. Yeah, at only 500 kwacha a month. These are live lessons to be able to help you. Our past rates have been very good, extremely good. So don't leave it. Going to be able to start to help you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. We don't take it for granted. We really appreciate you. This channel is there because we exist. Pass some comments. Share with your friends. Till next time. Bye bye.